Hey, so if you're just starting with Webflow, it's really easy to get overwhelmed or pick up bad habits early. In this video, I'll show you the best practices that'll save you time and yeah, make your sites look way more professional. Before you even touch Webflow, plan your layout, sketch your sections, think about structure, and keep things simple. Name your classes clearly, like hero title or footer link. Avoid random names because it gets confusing really fast. Stick to a consistent structure, sections, containers, and elements. Don't just throw divs everywhere. Set global styles for fonts, colors, and spacing. This keeps your design consistent across the whole site. Always check tablet and mobile views. Don't just design for desktop. Most users are on mobile. Don't over-design. Too many animations, colors, or elements can make your site look messy. So keep it clean. Use components for repeating elements like navbars and footers. It saves time and keeps everything consistent. Before you publish, test everything links, forms, layout. Make sure it all works properly. Finally, keep learning. Webflow gets easier the more you use it. So, yeah, just keep building and improving. And that's it. Follow these best practices and you'll avoid most beginner mistakes. Build smart, keep it simple, and your sites will look great. Hey, so if you